Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I have a fun one for you today. I have my Walmart beauty box and I also have some fun colored contacts from a company called Icoice. Icoice is a combination of icon and voice. They have a really neat website with all types of fun colored contacts. Some are with prescription, some without. They use environmentally sustainable packaging that is 100% recyclable. They are FDA and CE approved, so they are a safe contact lens to wear. So I'm going to do something fun, and each new product that I got in my Walmart beauty box, I will have a different color contact lens on. So let's get into it. If you're not familiar with the Walmart beauty box, I believe it's $7 or $8. You get a mix of full size and sample products, all sold at Walmart. Comes with this card with some information about the items that are in your box. I've been getting this box for a long time and I'm generally happy with it. There's usually at least one product that makes it worth my while, and then some other fun products that I can try and decide. I could travel with the small item. I could decide to get the full-size item at Walmart. Okay, first product, and in my eyes are Cosmic Violet. This is the Essence Hydra Kiss Lip Oil. Retails for $4.97. I did peek and look in my box, so everything that's on my face right now is from Essence. And of course, I'll have it all listed for you. They sent me the shade Midnight Mystery. Let's swatch it. Oh, it looks kind of purple. I don't really smell anything. It's got a nice big doe foot. High shine, high gloss, moisture, hint of color, hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and meadow foam oil. Very nice, feels very hydrating. The next product we have is this one from Good Molecules. This is their Hydrating Facial Cleansing Gel. The full size retails for $11.97, and these contacts are Barbie Blue. Description online says rose water provides antioxidants which soothe and help skin maintain a bright tone. Pineapple extract gently purifies skin while promoting clarity and softness. It's suitable for all skin types. Good Molecules is a nice brand. Happy to have that to try out. So again, this is Barbie Blue. Next up, we have this Dove Exfoliating Body Scrub for Women. This is the Himalayan Salt and Rose Oil, and I have Birkin Brown in my eyes. Online it says moisture formula. Only Dove scrubs are created with moisturizing cream to repair your skin with this unique Himalayan salt and rose oil mix. Polish your way to natural care. A delightful blend of naturally derived cleansers with no sulfates, nourishing your skin for a silky smooth result. I'm a little bit concerned because I'm not a huge rose fan. It does smell pretty rosy. I can feel a little bit of the grit in there, but it's not too rough. Not bad at all, and I believe this is a full-size product. I will give this some thought and decide if I'm going to use it or gift it to somebody in my family. Again, this is Birkin Brown. The next product we have is this High Pro Pack Keratin Protein No Frizz Hair Treatment. And this is Vika Brown. This is a full-size product. It retails for $1.77. Intense protein treatment for frizzy, dry, and overworked hair, formulated with natural keratin and wheat amino acids. Natural keratin increases hair moisture, minimizes damage, increases strength, and helps reduce split ends. Wheat amino acids provide powerful moisture binding and improved sheen, creates smoother, frizz-free hair. Just massage this into your hair, leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse. I'm happy to have a nice hair treatment. And one more look at Vika Brown. The next product I have is from Plum Beauty. These are the facial shaping razors for facial dermaplaning. It is a 3-pack. It retails for $4.47. It does come in a nice case. Never mind. It does come in a plastic wrap. They do have protectors on them, 3 different colors. These are very nice to clean up your brows if you have some wild hairs on your upper lip. And the colored contacts that I have in are called Snowflake Gray. Happy to have these. You do need to switch yours out I don't know, every month. The bag is garbage, but hopefully the razors are good. I'll give them a shot. And here's one last look at Snowflake Gray. You can see my brown coming through. I kind of like it. The next product that I have, and by the way, I have shown you all of the contacts, and I just put the Barbie blue back in because I think they're the funnest. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Tahitian Vanilla. This is a body lotion, retails for $7.97. Hydrate and protect skin with moisture drenching Tahitian Vanilla. Silky soft skin. This provides 48-hour moisture. Looks like with this packaging, they're kind of going after Sol de Janeiro. I'll go ahead and open it. I can just put it in my bathroom and use it up in the next couple of days. It's a nice thick texture. Ooh, definitely a body butter. It feels nice. It smells really nice. It's not a simple vanilla. It's got a little more depth to it. It smells like a fragrance to me, but it's pleasant. I like it. And the last product that I have is from Jergens. It is another lotion. This is called Vanilla Crush. Retails for $7.47. This lotion with shea butter leaves your skin lightly coated with the slightly addictive aroma of cozy vanilla, toasted almonds, and warm sugar. Blended with naturally derived African shea butter and vitamin E, this moisturizer nourishes your skin to feel smooth and soft. Long-lasting hydration. Our scented lotion gives you touchably smooth hydration that lasts all day up to 24 hours. Now I'm going to be confused because I have that Palmer's on. I'm going to try to put it a little bit further up. Got a nice thick texture as well. Oh, I really like that. And it seems to spread much thinner than the Palmer's, but definitely I can smell that sugar, that nuttiness. I like this scent even more. So that is all of my Walmart products. I am very happy with everything that I got. I got some fun goodies to play with. The gloss is really beautiful, and I want to provide you with a little more information about Icoice. In my box with the contacts, they each came individually sealed. They come with little applicators if you are new to contacts and you want to use them. I've been wearing contacts for a very, very long time. But here is the pincher that you can pull it out. It's got a silicone tip to protect, and then a little popper that you can put on the contact and pop right into your eye. So that is an option if you want to use something like that in a nice little case. And then I have to show you the cute little carrying cases. Like my normal contacts just come in these like plain cases. Look how adorable these cases are that Icoice sends you. They sent different colors. I'm not sure if you get to choose your color when you get your contacts, but I have all the different contacts in here. They look like maybe it's a little bear, and one contact is in this top section and the other contact is in this bottom section. So cute. So I just wanted to thank Icoice for sending these to me. They were fun to play with. They did provide me with a 20% discount code for you that I will pop up here. I will list everything down in the description box, what colors I was wearing, links to each one, and of course everything from the Walmart Beauty Box, and a link for you to find more information about that. Most of my links are affiliate links, so if you choose to shop with those links, I want to thank you so much because it does provide me with a small commission and helps support me and my channel. I hope that this was fun for you. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. What color was your favorite? I'll go over the colors again. We had the Cosmic Violet, Barbie Blue, Birkin Brown, Vika Brown, and Snowflake Gray. I'd love to know which ones were your favorite, and honestly, this is just fun. I wear my prescription blue colored contacts a lot, but none of them are as vibrant as these. If you're looking to do something fun and different, these contacts feel very comfortable in my eyes. I hope that you will check them out. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.